Hi, I'm Terry. I am an intuitive designer, a house healer, and a holistic interior designer. I just wanted to comment on this comment just right up here that I got on a video that I had just posted about clearing a crystal on a pendulum. So my way of doing it was a little bit different. Now this person, what they've said is they use sage and they leave theirs in the sun, which absolutely works. But they're saying about my way is that it seems complicated and they don't think telepathy really would really work with this. Now I don't know if this technically is considered that because that's more mind reading, but I mean, I'm pretty new to this, only a couple years in anyway, but it's more energy based is how I think of my way. The other thing is basically that person's right. It's not going to work, but it's not going to work for them because the main thing in any of this work, anything energy based, manifestation, any of the stuff that you are doing, you really have to believe, and that is absolutely the number one important thing in all of this, in making positive change in any of these ways, is you have to first believe or it's not going to happen.